Hello everyone, welcome back to the Milano Secret Taste. Ever thought about making risotto, but then deciding it's too difficult? I promise you it's not. It's totally worth the small amount of hands-on cooking time because, hi there, yummy carb side that is not pasta or potatoes. Risotto really isn't difficult to make, but it is definitely more high maintenance than your favorite minute rice. It will require some extra time and your undivided attention. So here's a wonderful, easy, and quick recipe from our kitchen. To cook your risotto perfectly, make sure you watch the video till the end, as we have some magical tips for you. This easy risotto recipe requires surprisingly few ingredients to create lovely, rich flavor. Here's what you'll need to make this cheese risotto recipe. Ingredients for 2 people. 180 grams carnaroli rice. 1 shallot. 50 grams butter. 25 grams Parmesan cheese, half glass white wine, 95 grains, 750 centiliters meat broth. Let's jump to the method. Step 1. Put 750 centiliters of water on the heat, bring to a boil and dissolve the cube, mixing well. Keep the broth on the stove with the flame to low. Step 2. In a saucepan, put half of the butter and let it melt, over low heat. The butter should melt slowly. Step 3. Meanwhile, cut the shallot into very thin slices, or if you prefer a small onion, and add it to the butter as soon as the butter has melted. Step 4. Cook until the shallot begins to brown. At that point, add the rice and let it toast for a couple of minutes. Step 5. And add the white wine, mix and let it cook. Step 6. When the wine has evaporated, add the broth a little at a time and cook over low heat for about 15 minutes, and in any case check the cooking until the risotto is ready. Step 7. Turn off the heat and cover for about a minute. Then add the other part of the butter and turn many times to mix everything. Step 8. Then add the Parmesan and mix again until the risotto is creamy. Finally, the creamy risotto is ready. It's time now for some important information. Also to like, share, and subscribe us. You can also get the notifications of our videos by hitting the bell icon. So, what is risotto? Risotto is a northern Italian rice dish cooked in a broth to a creamy consistency. The broth can be derived from meat, fish, or vegetables. Many types of risotto contain butter, wine, onion, and Parmesan cheese. Basically, risotto is rice cooked in broth. You can make risotto using any kind of stock and toss in any kind of protein or veggies you like, but the key to making restaurant-quality risotto at home is the type of rice. Tips for the best risotto. Make sure to use warm stock when making this recipe. Adding cold stock to a hot pan will cool everything down and mess up the cooking process. Keep the stock at a simmer in a separate pan so everything stays hot and cooks evenly. Don't add the stock too quickly. You want to cook the rice slowly so that the stock is absorbed. If you dump in the stock all at once, you're just boiling rice. Also, because the starch is crucial, don't rinse the rice before cooking it. You also want to be careful not to overstir while this creamy risotto is cooking. Stirring the rice constantly will add air into the risotto, cooling it down and making it gluey. Alternatively, if you don't stir it enough, the rice will stick to the bottom and burn. It's helpful to have everything prepped and ready to move before starting this dish. You will need 2 hands, one for stirring and one for ladling. Lastly, please use fresh Parmesan and not the stuff from a can. Parmesan is the star of this dish, so you want it to be of decent quality. Do try the recipe and follow our tips and let us know your experience in the comment box below. We will see you in the next amazing dish. Until then, you enjoy other recipes on our channel. Thanks for watching.